Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Inventa from AWS Marketplace. If you are interested in data discovery and classification and came across this video, I would recommend watching our other YouTube videos as well, to learn more about Inventa. Links to some of them are in the video description. The whole process will take approximately 15 minutes. This version of our product is free as long as you use it for evaluating and testing purposes only. There are some prerequisites. First of all, an active Amazon AWS account is required with permission to work with Marketplace subscriptions and EC2 service. If you are not sure that your account has the right permissions, please contact your IT department. The next required things are a key pair to connect to an instance via SSH, a security group, HTTPS and SSH connection should be allowed, and the last one is a username and password to access our repository. Credentials can be requested via email. As to a key pair and a security group, you can either create them in advance or during the installation. Open the AWS Marketplace website and enter Inventa in the search field. Click on Inventa Instant Assessment. First things first, let's take a look at pricing. Although this is a trial version of our product, which is free, there are some related infrastructure costs. As you can see, the minimum recommended instance is C5 12 extra large. So, please check the current Amazon prices and make sure that you are okay with them. There are short usage instructions, please read them. They cover the most important information, including how to request credentials. Before we go any further, please read the end-user license agreement and confirm that you accept its terms. To do that, click the Accept Terms button. As soon as the Continue to Configuration button is active, please click it. Okay, what have we got here? Currently, there is only one software version available, 2.8.3. However, if you see more than one, just choose the latest. You can also adjust the region to optimize the costs and performance. In case of our program, it is also worth putting it closer to where your data sources are. There are 3 launch options. We recommend choosing launch from website, although 2 others are perfectly fine. Recommended instance type is pre-selected. Of course, depending on the volume of data to process, you might need something even bigger, but C5 12 extra large should do the job for most testing cases. I won't cover VPC and subnet settings in much detail. The main thing is to make sure that the Inventa instance will be in the same VPC as your test data sources. Next step. Select an existing security group or create a new one based on recommended settings. In either case, SSH and HTTPS ports should be opened for inbound connections. Choose a key pair to be able to connect to the instance via SSH. Make sure you have access to the key file before you proceed. You will need it later. Once launch is complete, you can navigate to the EC2 console. In the console, you have to wait until the instance state changes to running, and all status checks will be finished. Meanwhile, let's find out the public IP address of the newly created instance. We'll need it to connect to the instance via SSH. Great, the instance is ready. Now let's connect to it. The default username is Ubuntu. It is time for the final step, Inventa installation. To do that, please enter the following command as on the screen. The system will ask you to provide the registry username and password. These are the credentials that you should have requested via email. Here you should specify an IP address. Docker images and Helm charts are downloaded from our repository and installed during this step. Looks promising, but this is a false alarm. We have to wait a bit more. As soon as you see a command line, the installation is complete. Finally, we can get our hands on Inventa, a discovery and classification engine. Open a web browser and type in the IP address of the machine. Please ignore the warning message. It is caused by a security certificate and everything is fine. Enter login and password. They are on the screen. We highly recommend changing the default password immediately. Okay, I hope that this video will help you. If you have additional questions, just ask them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. So enjoy your instant assessment and have fun. Thank you.